Wildfire alert from Jackson County Sheriff's Office. Level 1, be ready for possible evacuation from Evil's own JAC 434, Upper Applegate Road south of Little Applegate Road and north of McKee Bridge. Prepare to evacuate. Find resources at wildfire.org.gov. Act early if there is any reason you might need extra time. Leave right away if you feel you are in immediate danger. If conditions change quickly, this may be the only alert you receive. Be aware of danger in your area and stay informed. Check local city and county websites, social media, TV, and radio for updates. Do not call 911 unless you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue.